So let's go to first our automation scenarios. Then we'll come to know these automation scenarios. Mm, Just going to TestNG framework. Search data driven is completed. So this also completed with the ZK demo. So at the rate parameters. Groups we have seen already. Next we have, yeah, this is one of the program in the interview. That's why I added this. So let's see this program. We'll see in the Google suggestions the typed value is present or not. We need to find out. So how can you find out that? So for example, if I type Selenium, these suggestions should have that Selenium keyword. So if it is there or not, we need to tell that. So how can we find it out? Selenium is present or not. Now, first you need to get all these values into a list and see what is the common code for that. So for each one, what is the common code? So you have a UL. So this is the UL. So each option is represented by LI tag. So you can use this and build all of them. You bring into a collection. Then we can iterate that, right? So that is what we can do, how to iterate the elements. So one by one, right? So these suggestions, I don't know whether we did or not, but yeah, so let's do these suggestions. So suggestions is one important, right? You will get always suggestions. So those suggestions we need to see how to handle these suggestions or select one of them. So the different types of programs they are asking, in this area. So we have to make sure you understand the question and answer that and write the code for that. Generally, they will give you coding only. So you have to write the code for the given scenario. So that is very important. Now, so let's check whether that is available or not. Okay. So if it is available, and we'll return true. If it is not available, basically you can assert that. So if it is available, simply say that typed keyword is present. If it is not available, you can say it's not available. So we'll write the assertion, and simple method is enough. We'll take a multiple. So I'll take this, and we'll write one test method. Remaining all are similar. The same. The browser launching is common, so you don't need to do anything. So I'm just going to put. So Google suggestions test. So Google suggestions test. So in this, what we need a before class. If you want, you can take this browser parameter, keep it as it is, and then so after class, this is okay, but only one test we need. That is Google suggestion test. So you can say google.com. And I can put google.com here. So this one, it will change, right? So I can put a Google. Type Google here also. Yeah. Then this method we don't need. Okay. So I need to uh, type the value in search edit box. And search edit box. So by dot name. So there will be a name, and that name you can give that. So we don't need this, right? Just you need to clear it and then type it. Send keys, you have to send so the key I am sending Selenium key. Maybe I'll take this keyword outside. Okay, so why I am taking outside is I need to check that keyword is present in the sessions or not. So I'll declare keyword yeah. So I'm typing then you will get, after typing, you will get immediately suggestions. So wait for the suggestions, I think. So you have to put list web element. So suggestions equal to, and you can wait for the import that class java.title, visibility of element located, and I'm just giving so ul tag at the rate, I think at the rate. So what are the locators? Just see that. So ul, there is a role. I'll take this role. List box slash li. ul slash li. The first one. Li tag I'm giving. Now you'll get all of the. So why we are getting here this error. Three. 1, 2, 3. It returns only web element, right? Not list. Okay, so all suggestions will get it here. Now check so whether these suggestions are present in that or not. How can you check? So just put boolean is available equal to false. I'm assuming that initially it is not there. Then iterate. So web element suggestion colon suggestions, and then get the suggestion text. Okay, you can get the suggestion text. So string, so suggestion equal to dot get text. So it will fetch the Google suggestion, and that text you can store it here. Then you print, if you want, you can print it. So I'll put a reporter dot log. Okay, so why we are getting this? Asset true. It's asset class, right? So this is the correct one. So with this, you can find it out whether the typed value is present in the sessions or not. Okay, let's run this, and maybe you can add if you want, no, to any of these suits if you want to run as a suit. So I'll run this now. Yeah. So now you can see, I think we didn't change the uh, Google suggestion test. See, now it is passed, right? This one, why it changed? Yeah. So like that, you can develop small programs. Okay. So similar kind of program. I want to give one more exercise for you. So what you need to do here is you have to select right now till now. So what I did here, I just get all these sessions and I searched this. The contains means searching. The typed value is present here already. That's what I did. So a little further extension you do, select the required one from here. Select the required one. Can you do this? Okay. Can you do this or so what is your opinion?
Okay.
Yeah, try it out. Okay, try it out. But if you are not able to do, just you can ping me. I will write this code. So, but we should have a code. But I am giving a chance to you guys. Just from there, you extend. You got the text. Now we need to select that. Required session, you select it. Yeah, let me show you one more program. Similar kind of, but you can write a slightly different. So there is a one more program called similar. It's a sessions type only, but you have to choose. These are the steps. You have to click on live posting. Once you landed this page, then you just type. You can type anything. Uh, just see now you got multiple, right? Toronto I typed. Right, so you can see we got a lot of sessions, right? In this one of them you need to select. So suppose you want to select Toronto on Canada. You can select that. It's similar to that, right? You are typing, then you are getting these values. So once you typed that value, so you can see you can choose those arrow buttons. Arrow down you have to use. Arrow down, and then so for example if I select this, okay. So any questions on this? If you have any doubt, let me know. Similar to Google, right? That's similar to Google. So even if you see Toronto, if I type and see you got everything similar. Just right click. Okay, so it's not standing up. What you need to do, you have to use a debugger. Just type Yeah, we can keep it. No questions? All are silent. So total 2 tasks I am giving. So will you do, or you want me to write this one? I cannot hear you guys. If you're talking or you're in mute.
We'll write this, Ramesh. If we are not able to write, then maybe you can show it in the next class.
Okay. Yeah, so as I mentioned, right? So you just type Toronto. Okay. So in the send keys, you put a Toronto. Then you get all these sessions into one. So one of the list, you get it. And then you can do a do while loop and iterate one by one by arrow down key. So get that. So then you get this value. You get this value. Once you press arrow down, the value is selecting here. You get that. So, and check that. So check that. Or required one, you can choose it. For example, you want to select Toronto, Ohio, USA. So you can give that option. You can select that and press enter key. Once you select this, you press enter key. Then it will select. Okay, so that I'll just post this in our write a program to, let me write down. So you are going to use here keys uh, concept. Let me write. Uh, so where is that? The December, that is December. This one is. So the first program is select an option from the Google sessions. So task 2, select an option from the two plugins, site, sessions using keys arrow down. Okay, let me give you the URL. We have a URL, this one, plugins.com. This is enough. Okay. So I want to run the programs parallelly. Now how many we have total? So anyway, these are enough for us. So 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 test cases. I'll run parallelly. or you can add this one also. If you want to add parallelly, you should have parallel execution. First of all, you should have parallel setup in your ZK demo also. So do we have that setup? Before class, see, it is not ready. Running in multiple browsers, parameterization, it is not there. So let's add that concept here also. This is the concept we want even in ZK demo also. Yeah. So these three classes I'm making to run parallelly. How to run parallel? So parallel execution I already told. In the suit tag, you have to mention parallel equal to row, right? Sorry, parallel equal to classes, parallel equal to methods, parallel equal to tests. So these are the options you have to use. First you have to decide only you want to run classes parallelly, or you want to run methods parallelly, or you want to run multiple test tags parallelly. So that we need to decide. So now you need to create a suit file for these three classes. First, let's run the classes parallelly. So all these three classes I'm going to run parallel. Parallelly means one test case I'll run on the Chrome, one test case I'll run on the Firefox, one test case I'll run on the Edge browser. So that we can cover all the browsers, right? That's the main motto of this parallel execution. So, and many interviews they will ask, how can you run test cases parallelly? Why do you want to run parallelly? First of all, to